All right, guys, today we are kicking off our multiplication unit. So today we are going to talk about repeated addition. Our I can statement is I can make repeated addition equations by looking at objects. You are going to do fantastic today. I just know it. So what's going to happen this week is you're going to be given a word problem in the beginning. You're welcome to solve it, but you probably don't know how to yet. And that's okay, because that's what I'm going to teach you. And at the end, if you look at my screen, there's the same word problem, but an answer box is with it, because that's where I want you to answer it. And like for this one, you may have to upload a picture. So let's go ahead and read the question. Lenny has 4 boxes of toys. Each box has 8 toys in it. Draw a picture to show how many toys Lenny has in his 4 boxes. So today we're talking about repeated addition. There are 6 bees. Each bee has 2 wings. Set it low. How many wings are there in all? So a way we can do this is instead of going 1, 2, 3, 4, is we can skip count, or what's called repeated addition. And repeated addition is the same thing as skip counting. Yeah, isn't that crazy? So when we use repeated addition, we use the same number and we add it over and over and over again. So let's look at our picture right here. We need to find how many wings there are in all. Well, we know there are 6 bees, and each bee has 2 wings. So we just add, as you can see right here, 2 plus 2 plus 2, and you keep going until you add it 6 times all together to get 12, because 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. We just skip counted, didn't we? By 2s. But we also put into an equation where we added it 6 times. So that's what repeated addition is. It's a quicker way to count. And it's also, guys, I'm going to tell you a secret. It's multiplication. Multiplication is just a simpler form of repeated addition. How awesome! So let's look. We want to see how many legs the wolf has. So look right here. Each wolf has 4 legs, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wolves. So I'm going to try to make my screen bigger. Okay, so hopefully you can see me. So each wolf has 5, keep grabbing that marker, and it is not an expo. 5 wolves. And 4 legs. So we need to see how many legs there are in all. And because each one has 4 legs, we add 4 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's what we need to solve, and that's what you're going to write. So 4 plus 4 equals 8, plus 4 equals 12, plus 4 equals 16, plus 4 equals 20. And another way, that's how it is when we do repeated addition. Another way is we can put it into a multiplication equation. So look right here. If we have 5 wolves and each of them have 4 legs, we know that 5, or here, we know each one has 4 legs, and there are 5 wolves. So I just do 4 5 times to get 20. Do you see how this is a much quicker way than doing it like this? And you are going to memorize these like this starting next week. And you know what? Go ahead and start memorizing them. So multiplication is just a simpler form to do repeated addition. Let's look at the next one. You have 3 popsicles. And each one, you have 3 whole ones. And if you split them together, each one has two parts, or two sticks. Let's find the sticks. So 3 popsicles. I'm just going to put pops. And each one has 2 sticks. Okay? So I have there are my popsicles. And I'm looking for the sticks. So I can say this has 2 sticks, this has 2 sticks, this has 2 sticks. And if I add them together with my repeated addition, I get 2, 4, 6. Or I can say there are 3 popsicles and each of them have 2 sticks. So 3 times 2 equals 6. And all this is saying, okay, I need to add 3 2 times. So 3, 6. Or with our commutative property, I can say, because it's the same multiplication, I can say I need to add 2 3 times. 2, 4, 6. It is just skip counting. Yes, just skip counting. Put this smaller. All right, real quick, I want you to look right here. So these are some arrays, and we're going to be learning about arrays in a day or two. But I want to go ahead and expose you or show you what they are so you're not caught off guard. So these arrays, as you can see, have 2 rows of 4 or 4 columns of 2. So we're going to write a repeated addition equation to match these. So let's go with this one first. All right, so we have four columns of 2. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're trying to find out how many dots there are in all. So I need to add 2 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 4. I can multiply 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. And get 8. I'm going to show you another one. I'm going to use little dots though that are magnetic, and I'll show you sometime. Oh, at least they're not magnetic. These are my 10 frame dots, but hopefully they will help. Alright, so I'm showing you an array right here. It's not super straight, but it'll do. Okay, so I need to find out how many dots there are in all, and I don't want to count 1, 2, 3, 4. So right here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I can do is I can add 4 times. Or I can multiply 4 times 4. And the way I did repeat, I just said I'm going to add this one, this one, this one, and this one. That should match perfectly because there's 4 in each column. So let's go count by 4. 4, 8, 12, 16. And 4 times 4 does equal 16. But let's double check. Say you don't believe anything I just did. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there are, in fact, 16 dots. There are, in fact, 16 dots. I'm going to show you one more thing. So it can be the same on dice. So I can say I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dice right here with 6 in each. If I want to show that 5 dice with 6 in each, I would say I want to add 5 6 times. Well, what if you say, Mrs. Miles, you had 5 dice with 6 in each. We need to count the dots. Okay, let's do that. So we do 6 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if they equal the same thing. Let's see if this equals this. Okay? So let's count. 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Let's count this one. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Now, which property do you think this could be? The commutative, that's right. Our commutative property says we can do it either way and it will be the same answer. Yes, Bazinga. So, this one's easier because 5s are way easier to skip count than 6s. So I prefer this. But it also means that I did 5 times 6 or 6 times 5. This equals this equals this. This equals this equals this. And it all equals the same thing. Yes. So what you're going to do is you're going to go on your Google Slides and you're going to do the same thing like in the beginning. Sorry, I'm using a separate camera. So we did this. So you can just plug those answers in. You're going to see how many stripes there are in all. I need to go back and edit this. How many legs there are in all. How many bugs, how many wheels, how many petals, and how many eyes, okay? And then I want you to go back and I want you to answer this, okay? And you're just going to upload a picture of that. So think about what our pictures look like up here. Specifically look back at this one and it might help you. That's what you're going to do, okay? All right, friends, that's enough for today. If you have any questions, let me know. I can't wait to see you in small group.